Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Wedgefield local and long distance movers near me. Wedgefield Local 3 Movers best help local moves within Wedgefield, Florida, or its environs. With the most experienced in Wedgefield, Florida in their employ and the best equipment for swift moves to your new home, with Wedgefield Local TM Movers, you have the best hands and minds helping with your move. Several local movers at Wedgefield Local 3 Movers have decades of experience and have ready solutions for any possible moving challenge. Let our local Florida movers help you with an effortless and seamless move. We assure you of the safety of your belongings with Wedgefield Local 3 Movers handling your move. With premium safety measures and their experience, we guarantee the safety of your belongings. For the best long-distance moving experience, we recommend the expert services of Wedgefield Long Distance 3 Movers. Several long-distance moves take longer than a day. With Wedgefield Long Distance 3 Movers, you will have access to moving storage. Hence, your belongings are safe throughout your move. Due to the distance, you also need a vehicle that can move all your belongings on a single trip, which Wedgefield 3 Movers will provide. With double wrapping and special arrangements to protect fragile items, Wedgefield Long Distance 3 Movers is your best choice for a safe and seamless move. Let us take the stress off your shoulders and ensure a smooth relocation. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Wedgefield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.